Welcome to Git tutorial. In this session we are going to push few files. You can see like few files on my PC here. Let's go in E, assessment and case study. Here these are the files. So we'll learn how to push these files, these Excel files or Word files or any files on the GitHub repository. So here you can see I have created a repository, name is dataset. Okay, this is the Git. You can see this is the Git account, and in this repository name is dataset, this one. So I have to push all these files in the Git repository. So what to do? Right click for the window users, click on git bash. It looks like that, and then write git clone and copy this link here. Okay, control C, and after that paste here, and then enter. Cloning into dataset, that is empty repository, that's why you are getting warning. You appear to have cloned an empty repository. Fine. Now you check here, dataset folder is coming. This is coming from this repository dataset. This is coming like that. Okay, now if you observe, if you click dataset, here you can see git is there. Okay, git is there. View here, in your PC, if hidden item is not tick mark, suppose like that, so you can see nothing here. But if you'll mark here, go to the view and then mark on hidden items, then this git will come. So our task is to load all these things. So what you do, just come here, just I am doing Control X and I am putting here, paste here, all file I have put here. Now in git I am at case study folder. I need to go in dataset, so write cd data underscore set, ct dataset, and then enter. Now I am inside this. Okay, next what to do, git add. What to add? All the files, space and give dot and then enter. So all the file will be added. Okay, if you want to see the git status, you can see git status. All the file in green color will be populated here. See all the files that have been added. Now if something is added, I need to pass the message. For that, write git commit /m and give your messages. All the data sets have been added to git repository. Okay, and data set. Just this is a message. You can type anything here. Okay, and then enter it. So now next step is here. If you see, it is message, with message it will be added. Now last step is git push origin master. So master is the default branch for this git repository. That's why I put origin master. Now enter it. then you will be getting one message, this is done. Like say enumerating object 21 done. Okay, now if you want to check it, here see the code properly what we did. Now go to the repository, just refresh it, and you can see all the files are here. All the files are here. So this is how we can add our local system file with Git repository, and in branch here you can see this is master. So hope this will help you to link your local device to Git repository. Thank you for watching.